Hello traders and welcome to the Next Wave Trading. My name is Lester and today we'll see how to use this strategy. We must have patience because the market will always give us new entries. The strategy, which is also used to operate in Forex with gold, is in favor of the trend. Does not require a lot of experience, more than the basic concepts. In this video we will see her operating in binary options with a pocket option broker. If you want to copy these trades, you must register with the broker using the link below the video. Now, let's learn the strategy. We will use 3 indicators. Bollinger Bands with the by default configuration. We will also add the stochastic oscillator. The settings are in overbid. We will leave the overbid 80 and the oversold 20. The moving averages inside our stochastic oscillator are simple moving averages of periods 14 and 3. And finally, we will use the RSI with the configuration by default. I am taking the trades in 30 seconds, but you can also operate in 1 minute. We will have the chart in 30 seconds. For the strategy to work for you, you must wait for the 3 confirmations. The confirmation of the Bollinger Bands, which will be given when our Bollingers are overridden or are oversold, will depend on the direction of the trade you will take. In this trade that I took, it is to buy, so wait for the confirmation to make the purchase. We will see the second confirmation in the moving averages within our stochastic. The moving averages should cross going in the direction we will take the trade. In this case it is going towards the rise. We must take into account that you should be touching or close to our overbuy. The third confirmation is our RSI, which is like our stochastic. The moving average inside our RSI should be going towards the direction we will take the trade and close to or touching our overbuy. By following these indicators we will have a more profitable session. In other examples I will show you the entries I made and what I saw to take those trades. I will leave you with the video in quick mode and put this strategy into practice with your real account, using an appropriate balance in each trade.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up, don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's you'll never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks, aftermath. When I hate, I attack.